China electric tricycle as an environmentally friendly, economical and convenient means of transport. Our electric tricycle has many amazing advantages. Firstly, let's focus on the environmental and energy-saving benefits of electric tricycles. As an environmentally friendly way of traveling, our electric tricycle does away with the exhaust and noise pollution generated by traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. It uses clean electricity as its power source, which not only effectively reduces air pollution, but also drastically reduces greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to the creation of a better urban environment. Next, let's talk about the affordability of electric tricycles. As energy prices rise, more and more people are looking for affordable transport solutions. Our electric tricycles are absolutely ideal for you in this regard. Using electricity to power the vehicle not only reduces fuel costs, but also has the advantage of being low maintenance and easy to care for, making it a substantial addition to your wallet and household budget. Meanwhile, electric tricycles excel in traffic jams. City traffic is often annoying, but our electric tricycles navigate busy city streets with ease thanks to their compactness and agility. You no longer need to worry about commuting times, allowing you to easily avoid congestion and reach your destination more efficiently. In addition, electric tricycles are versatile and suitable for a variety of different uses. Whether you are commuting in the city, transporting goods, making deliveries, or need a great business partner, our electric tricycles can meet your needs and become your traveling tool and business booster. Firstly, let's talk about the core source of the electric tricycle: battery capacity and voltage. This vehicle is equipped with an advanced battery system with high energy density, providing excellent battery capacity and a stable voltage output. This means that you can enjoy a longer range, while the high voltage output ensures strong power performance. Whether you are traveling through busy city streets or enjoying the scenery in the countryside, the electric tricycle always provides you with strong and reliable power support. In terms of comfort, the electric tricycle stands out with its unique hydraulic shock absorber technology. This innovative technology effectively reduces bumps on the road, providing you with a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're traveling on uneven city roads or rough country trails, the hydraulic shock absorber becomes your personal comfort zone. Let's turn our attention to the field of smart connectivity. The electric tricycle is equipped with an advanced display. This smart display not only shows real-time vehicle information, but also connects to navigation, communication and entertainment functions, bringing you an all-round smart travel. The simple and intuitive interface lets you know the status of your vehicle at any time, making every ride smarter and more convenient. Of course, the comfortable experience of the electric tricycle is also reflected in the design of the compartment and seat. The spacious and comfortable cabin space gives you more storage and carrying possibilities, while the ergonomic design of the seat ensures comfort for long rides, with optimum support and security for both short and long journeys. In summary, our electric tricycles offer a new, efficient and intelligent way to get around with their superior battery technology, high-power drive, hydraulic shock absorbers, intelligent display and comfortable cabin and seats. Thanks for watching. Why don't you give us a like and follow us? We'll see you in the next video.